Yo, what's up? Trader Gliz here, back another video. So let's take a look at the NQ, and then I'll get into some trades from last week, and then some trades for this upcoming week. So the NQ, it's looking, obviously we had a great week. It's been really bullish since this pullback, and I do think this is going to continue for about another 1.5% to this 20,000 level, and then I do think we'll pull back possibly. We could keep riding this trend line up. We might back test that, but I do think we will see a pullback once we test this resistance. And now let's take a look at some of the stocks from last week. So I called out on cloud, and it played out beautifully. We came up, back tested, and then just made a crazy move. Our calls are up so much money. I did end up taking one off right here. I had a feeling it was gonna go higher up, and I still do think it's gonna keep going. So I took one contract off at this high, and then I'm holding my last one until we see. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep holding it. Let's wait. Let me see. I mean, I guess I'm gonna try and ride it as far as we can, but I'll keep a tight stop loss below the close of this candle. All right. I also called out Win, and we played out perfectly. Calls are up a lot. We did retest the trend line and made a big move up. I'm still holding my contract till this level, and once we get to the 81.5 level-ish, I will see what I want to do, see how long it takes, because I do think that there's going to be more upside after this. I'm not sure, but it might get choppy, so I don't want to deal with the theta decay and the contracts lose value because of time. I don't want that to be a factor, but I do think I'm going to enter in shares probably tomorrow. Now that this is confirmed, this trend level is held, I do think we will see this $100 level, so I do want to enter in shares. And we also went over Micron, ticker symbol MU, entered this candle right down here, and have made a bunch of money. Contracts are up a lot on Micron, still holding, and I do think we will see this 98 level super soon, and we could eventually retest the 110 level. I also do think it's a good time to add shares, and yeah, now I will get into the picks for this week. First stock on the list is Square or Block, ticker symbol SQ. And honestly, the picks this week I do not like as much as the plays from last week, but this is my favorite play this week. Similar setup to stock I took about 2-3 weeks ago, similar to Visa. I'll pull that up. Here we had this. We were in this falling channel, and we broke out and still making super high moves. Made a lot of money on Visa. And Square or Block is setting up in the exact same pattern, pulling back, and I'm looking to enter this once we have a closed candle above this channel. And my first price target will be this $73, and then first will be the 67, 68 level, then the 73, and then I'm not sure if I'll still have contracts by then, but then the next one, 80, then 87, then all-time highs, basically. Next stock on the list is Snowflake, ticker symbol SNOW, SNOW. And what I see here is a double bottom, And we got this triangle pattern here, ascending triangle or whatever it's called. And then shorter term, not that short. All right, yeah, shorter term, we also have that same pattern, and we broke out of it. So I'm looking to target this 122 level, and I do have calls currently placed on the stock. Final stock on the list is ticker symbol C, Citigroup, and what I'm looking to play this one either ways, looking or depending on how the market plays out. If we have a good week, I'm looking to enter this with the break of the 58 level, a break and close above, and as you can see, when breaking this level, we tend to make big moves really quickly, and if the market's not looking good, I would look to enter short when we break this level. Sorry, I have my alert set here. And then I would target this 53, just the bottom of this wick, 53.30. And that's basically it, all my picks this week. Citigroup, Snow, and what was it? And the other one, I forgot what I said. All right, but yeah, those are my picks. Make some money with me this week. Made 1.4K last week, I think. Yeah, 1.4 and a half. All right, yeah, type shit. Tap in, make some money. We out. Trader Gliss.